Let's make a Morgan Freeman AI clone. It's easier than you think.
Are you ready? Be sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to recreate Morgan Freeman's iconic voice and visuals with AI. Step 1. First, we need to generate an image that we will use as a placeholder. To do this, we can use any AI image generator such as Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, etc. For this video, I use Leonardo AI. The plan gives you 100 free tokens daily, so let's use it. Here, click on Image Creation. Next, I used the lifelike vision model. Pause the video to take a look at my settings. This is the prompt that I used. I ended up with these results. This one fits the style I was going for, so let's grab this image, save it, and move on to the next step. Step 2. We will need to download an image of the real Morgan Freeman, so head over to google.com and search for Morgan Freeman. Next, click on Images. I use this image. Let's go ahead and download this real photo of Morgan Freeman. Now we need to face swap our AI generated image with the real Morgan Freeman photo. To do this, let's go to clipdrop.co and select Swap from the Tools drop-down menu. Next, we will add in our Leonardo AI image. Here you'll see an option to add another face. This is where we'll add the real Morgan Freeman photo. Perfect. Now you'll have something like this. From here, click on download and download your image. And let's get ready to move on to the next step. Step 3. Now we need a sample audio clip of Morgan Freeman speaking for about 15 seconds. For this step, I just searched for videos on YouTube. I looked for interviews and podcasts of Morgan Freeman and found this. When you find a video, copy the link in your address bar, then go to google.com and search for YouTube MP3 download. Next, paste in the URL of the interview and download the MP3. Now that we have the MP3 file, we need to cut out 15 seconds of Morgan Freeman speaking. For this, head over to audiomass.co. Import the Morgan Freeman clip and let's find a good section of Morgan Freeman speaking for roughly 15 seconds.
Let me tell you about him. The one that whispers.
I'll start from here and make a selection to cut out this area. Right click and select cut. From here, we have about 15 to 16 seconds. We can go over a little bit, select the WAV file that we don't need. Right click on cut, trim off the excess. And once you have your audio clip, you have about 15 seconds, a little over, that's fine. We have 17 seconds. Click on the file, export, and download. From here, you can name your MP3 file. All the default settings will work fine. Click on export. Once you have the 15-second MP3 file, you will need to clone his voice. For this, I used E2/F5TTS. Links will be in the description. Here under reference audio, import your 15-second clip of Morgan Freeman. Down here under text to generate section, enter your script or what you would like Morgan Freeman to say. Click on synthesize and preview your audio. Sometimes to get the perfect audio, you may need to generate a few times. Once you're satisfied, download your audio clip and let's head on to step number 4. Step 4. Now we need to take our deepfake image of Morgan Freeman and combine it with his voice that we generated previously. For this step, I'll use Hedra.com. However, you won't be able to generate directly using the deepfake image of Morgan Freeman, as it will pop up a message saying content does not meet guidelines for the following category, celebrity. So we will need to work around this. Don't worry, it's simple. All you need to do is add in the original image from Leonardo AI that we generated previously before we swapped his face out with Morgan Freeman. Here under audio, click on upload and upload the voice clip from F5TTS. Click on generate video and you should end up with something like this.
I am not Morgan Freeman. I was created with AI. I may sound like him. I may look like him. But I am not him.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Step 5. Now that we have what I like to call the driver video, we will need to turn him into Morgan Freeman. To do this, we will use something called Live Portrait. If you use the web-based version, the link will be in the description, then you will need to crop your driver video into a square aspect ratio. However, if you install Live Portrait to your local machine, you won't have these limitations. I covered Live Portrait on my channel a while back, so if this is something you want to do, be sure to watch that video. However, let's crop the video that we got from Hedra.com. Go to this website, again the links will be in the description, and click on upload your video. Here, import your Hedra driver video and select the square aspect ratio. Adjust the bounding box accordingly and click on download video. Now let's go back to Live Portrait on Hugging Face. Here on the left hand side under Source Portrait, add in the fake Morgan Freeman, and on the right hand side import our squared crop driver video. Scroll down and click animate, and you should have something like this.
I am not Morgan Freeman. I was created with AI. I may sound like him. I may look like him. But I am not him. I'm here.
Nice. Now you should have your cloned AI Morgan Freeman ready to go. Add in some transitions, sound effects, etc. and you should have something like this.
I am not Morgan Freeman. I was created with AI. I may sound like him. I may look like him. But I am not him. I am simply a voice and a face pieced together from data and algorithms. I exist to inform, entertain, and maybe even make you wonder. But remember, I'm just code, a digital echo of the real thing. You may ask, how did they do it? How did they make me sound this real? Well, let's dive into the world of AI and see how machines learn to mimic, to speak, and to create. Welcome to AI Controversy.